Welcome to this video about an incredible technique that can transform your life, visualization. If you're looking for a way to achieve your goals, increase your self-confidence, and overcome challenges, then you've come to the right place. Visualization is a powerful mental technique that can help you create the life you want by imagining your success in detail. Whether in sports, business, art, or any area of your life, visualization can be the key to unlocking your true potential. So get ready to discover everything you need to know about visualization and start transforming your life right now. Visualization is a mental technique where we imagine a specific scene or situation in our mind. It's like creating a detailed mental image of ourselves performing something we desire, such as a successful presentation or a challenging physical activity. By repeatedly visualizing this scene in our mind, we can train our minds to better handle similar situations in real life. Additionally, visualization can help increase our confidence and motivation, preparing us to deal with challenges and achieve our goals. Visualization can be used in various areas of life, such as sports, art, business, education, and even mental health. It is a powerful and proven technique that can bring numerous benefits to those who practice it regularly and with dedication. Visualizing to achieve goals is a technique where a person mentally creates a detailed image of themselves successfully performing a specific task or achieving a desired outcome. This involves using all of their senses to imagine themselves in a specific situation and experiencing the feelings and emotions associated with accomplishing their goal. By repeatedly visualizing this mental image of success, it is believed that it can help reprogram the mind and increase confidence and motivation to work towards achieving the goal. Do you know when you really want to do something, but it seems difficult or complicated? Visualization can help. It's like closing your eyes and imagining that you are already doing what you want, like singing a beautiful song or playing soccer very well. When you imagine yourself doing something like this in your head, your brain starts to believe that you can really do it in real life. So, it becomes easier to try and do what you want. It's like mental training to help you achieve your goals. Visualization is important because it can help train our minds to achieve our goals. When we imagine ourselves achieving something we desire, like a good performance in a game or a successful presentation, our brain is activated in the same way as if we were actually doing it. Thus, visualization can help increase our confidence, motivation, and mental preparation to face challenging situations. Additionally, visualization can help us focus on our goals, have a clear vision of what we want to achieve, and work towards it with more determination. For these reasons, visualization is a powerful and valuable technique for anyone who wants to achieve success in various areas of life. There is no exact number of times you need to visualize to achieve your goal, as it may vary from person to person and situation. However, visualization should be repeated frequently so that its effects can be noticed. Some people recommend visualizing every day, preferably at a regular and peaceful time, so that you can concentrate better and create a routine. When you allow yourself to enter a state of deep concentration and imagine the scene clearly in which you are doing something you desire, you activate the same neurons that would be activated if you were actually performing that activity. This means that visualization can be a powerful tool to help you achieve your dreams by training your mind and preparing you to face the challenges of real life with more confidence and determination. When practicing visualization, it's important to immerse yourself in your imagination, creating a scene rich in detail and emotion. Feel what it would be like if you had already achieved your goal, visualize yourself performing the activity perfectly, and allow yourself to experience all the positive sensations that come along with it. And remember, the key to success in visualization is consistency and dedication. By committing to practicing this technique regularly, you'll be training your mind to achieve your goals with more ease and confidence. So believe in yourself, stay focused, and visualize your success. Don't hesitate to try out this wonderful technique and see the incredible results it can bring to your life. Believe in yourself, stay determined, and visualize your success. Thank you very much for watching this video about visualization and its incredible benefits. We hope it was useful for you and that you can apply this technique in your daily life to achieve your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more content about personal development and success. We are committed to bringing valuable information to help you achieve your dreams and maximum potential. Once again, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.